Hello guys, so welcome to a brand new video. Today we are making a simple flyer like this, so let's get started. First of all, you go to file to new. So we are selecting our dimensions. We are using inches, so we're selecting 5 by 5, resolution 300. Don't color manage for the color profile. Let's get into it. Alright, so go to solid color, and choose this color. I'll put the color codes in the source files, so when you get to the description of the video, you see the link to the source files. Alright, so after that, you select the ellipse tool and draw a simple circle here, and then make sure that the fill is of this color. I would also put this one too in the source files. Alright, so Ctrl T and drag it to the middle. Somewhere here is fine. Alright, create another layer. No, it looks like it has a stroke on it, so just let me switch off the stroke. Yes, so this is fine. So you go to the source files and then you bring this texture, like this, enlarge it, and then the blending options, choose, okay, let's use screen, yeah, and then let's reduce the opacity to about 70. So 70 is okay for the opacity. So something like this. Alright, create a new layer. Then go to the source files and bring the lady like this. So I think this is okay. You can rotate it a bit to be like this. I think this is fine. Alright, so what we'll do is make sure that you selected the layer of the lady, and then you press Ctrl Shift Alt B. Yes, so make sure you add Alt to it. Ctrl Shift Alt and then B. Alright, so this is fine. Then if you look at the one that we are using for template, we have this swift and reliable here. So come here, select the text tool, and then the size should be, font size should be like I think 24 is okay. And I'm using this font, Avenir LT STD. That is the font I'm using, Avenir LT STD. Alright, so what is here? Swift and reliable. So swift and reliable. Alright, so the spacing should be increased a bit to like 20, and then I think the size should be also increased, so 30 should be fine. Then you increase the spacing to 24. It should be left aligned, put it to the middle, and then italize it. So Control Shift I. Alright, then you italize it. Alright, so what we'll do is come to where they've written FX, the layer style, and then you choose stroke. Alright, so after choosing stroke, just make sure that you selected the black color. Alright, so the opacity should be 100, and then the size should be 40. I think 40 is fine. Alright, so I think this is okay, but let it drag it to the top a bit. No, undo. Alright, so what we'll do is create a new layer and then choose the pen tool, then you draw some small rectangle here, something like this. Yes. Okay, so the stroke should go off, and then the fill should be black also. Alright, so if you look at this, if you look at the one that I'm using for templates or as a template, I think we are getting there. Alright, so let's get into it. Let's write these ones. So first of all, we'll create a new layer and then select the rectangle tool. Then you draw a rectangle like this. Yes. The fill should be white, but then the opacity should be decreased to 80. So you decrease the opacity to 80, and then the edges should be curved. So I'm selecting 30 here. In the previous videos, we've already spoken about the edges, so I won't eat much into it. Make sure you like the video and subscribe, because we learn new things each and every day. Alright, so after doing this, we will write this text: free delivery available. So we are using the same font style. So the font size should be decreased to 14. Alright, free delivery available. Alright, the color should be black. Change the color to black, and then yes, so I think this is fine. I think we should decrease the size to 14. Alright, so you, after writing this, you select the layer and then you press shift and select the layer of the rectangle. Then you convert to smart object. Alright, then you press Ctrl T, then you press Ctrl long press, then drag this side to this point like this. I think this is fine. Alright, so if you look at this, it means we are getting there. Alright, then let's do the same for these ones. Alright, so I will speed it up a bit. Okay, so I'm done writing the text in all the rectangles. So let's come back to our templates. As you can see, there is some designs here, some kind of strokes here. So let's do that one. So first of all, we create a new layer. Then we select the curvature pen tool. Alright, so first of all, let's draw this one. Alright, so after drawing it, the fill should go off, and then the stroke should be 5, and then the size should be 5 pixels, and then the color should be white. Okay, so create a new layer. We are drawing another one here, so something like this. Alright, okay, so the fill should go off and the stroke should be white, but this time around it shouldn't be 5. Reduce it to like 3. Alright, okay, so now let's write the name of the business. So it's Josie's online shop. So create a new layer and then write it here. Josie's online shop. The color should be white. Increase the size a bit. Alright, so after doing this, if you look at the templates that we're using, there is some design here beneath the name of the business. So let's do that one. Select the curvature pen tool again and then create a new layer. Then just do something that suits your design. So alright, so after doing it, make sure that the fill goes off and then the stroke is set to white color like this. Alright, so this brings us to the end of the video. If you stayed till this far, it means you've done a new flyer, or if you are new, you've done, or if you are old, sorry, you've done another flyer. So congratulations for making it this far. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share so that we learn together. Stay tuned.